Good evening, traders. This is Daud from ElliottWave-forecast.com. In this video, we're going to take a look at the 60-minute chart of a Euro-Pound pair. We will have a look at the price action from the low that we saw on 17th of February. All right, and the reading here is 81.53. So we had this push up, which we have labeled as wave A or 1, because there is enough extension here in this third swing that this could possibly turn into a 5 swing structure, but for now we'll go with the idea that this could be wave A or 1. And then from this peak here we have 3 waves down in the blue wave A, 3 waves up in blue wave B, and then this falling wedge here, diagonal, ending diagonal in C wave, to complete an expanded flat wave B or 2 here at this low. So starting from this low on 28th of February, we can see wave 1 in blue up, A, B, C down to complete wave 2 in blue, and then we have got 1, 2, and all this here is our red wave 3, followed by a pullback in wave 4, and then another 5 swing move up here to complete blue wave 3. So let's check the relationship here between wave 1 and wave 3 in blue. So we like to have our wave 3 extending at least the 1.618 times the length of wave 1. So we did meet the minimum requirement over there. This wave 3 extended more than 1.618 times the length of wave 1. And now the consolidation since this high here, we are viewing it to be a running triangle in wave 4. So we got this push lower in A, this rally here in B, a marginal new high above this peak. And then a pullback in 3 waves, which completed wave C of the triangle, and we believe the pair is currently in wave D and is in need of a push lower here to complete the triangle, which of course should hold above this low at 83.37, but only a break of 83.27, the A wave low, would negate the idea of this consolidation being a triangle. Alright, so as far as this low at 83.27 is in place, we would be expecting another push up in the pair towards 84.10 area to complete this red A wave, or at least complete this cycle here. And now of course from there our expectations would be for a bigger 3-wave pullback in the pair to correct this entire move, and this wave B normally would be 50 to 61.8% of the A wave. So it remains to be seen, of course, what the structure of the wave B would be, but for now we're just showing this 3-wave drop here. Now it could, of course, be a zigzag, it can be a double 3 correction, or it could even be a flat. It can be wave A down as 3 waves triangle in the middle, and then 3 waves down in wave C. So it can do many different things here. So we'll have to wait for wave A to complete and the pullback to begin, and then only we can get an idea about what the exact structure of wave B would be. But for now, the triangle is valid here as far as price is above 83.27 low. So risk reward here, at current levels is not really great for initiating long positions. So our strategy would be for wave A to complete, and then we would be looking to buy the dips in 3, 7, or 11 swings in this B wave pullback as far as the pivot at 81.53 low remains intact. Alright, so now let's take a quick look here at the RSI, the bottom of the chart. So you can see the contraction is visible in RSI as well, A, B, C, D, E, which is why this consolidation does indeed look like a triangle. And also when we get the push up in wave 5, we would like to see RSI divergence staying intact, which means RSI cannot get above this peak here. So as far as we stay below there, the next push up would be treated as wave 5. If the divergence is erased, then that would mean that we are still within this blue wave 3. And as far as the targets for the triangle thrust are concerned, once we have seen the end of wave 4, we can run the inverse fib extensions and look at inverse 1.236, inverse 1.618, or we could take a look at the 5 equals 1 target and now depending on wherever this wave 4 completes, that can take us towards 84.20 area. Of course, the minimum requirement would be the inverse 1.236 extension of wave 4, and it doesn't have to go all the way up to the 5=1 target. So we will be keeping an eye on this ascending trend line as well, which we have drawn by connecting the highs here. So this line also can cap strength for a pullback in wave B, which of course would offer an opportunity to get long again against this low, as far as it's a corrective and soft landing, and this pivot here keeps on holding. Alright, so we of course do not like selling into this push lower here, because we believe this can prove to be a significant low, and we should see more upside as far as this pivot keeps holding. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. For further updates, please visit our website www.elliottwave-forecast.com and check us out. Thank you.